Hi champs, what's up? Your English Don is here. Ask me any question if you dare to. Today, I'm gonna read out one of my students' comment. His name is Shariful Hussain Shoykot. Assalamu alaikum sir. Walaikum assalam. Dear sir, I hope you are well. Yes, I am. I'm the Don, so I should be fine. I am a student of yours in Sabah Model College and also your coaching center. Nowadays, I want to meet you and talk to you about my future career. Am I a consultant? Had you thought so? I am. Can I have your appointment, please? When you are free, in the morning or in the afternoon? OMG, my student is seeking appointment from me. It means I feel like I'm a Don. No, I am the Don. Otherwise, my student would not seek permission from me to meet me. Okay, dear Shariful, you do not need to take any appointment from me, although I'm the Don. Don't care about it. Just call me anytime and meet me. We will have tea together. And not only this option is not only for my student, rather for everybody. If you want to meet me, if you want to talk me, then just call me. Okay? Thank you. Last but not the least, remember this one. Love your country and do something for the humanity. Bye.